Take a can of chickpeas, drain the water out and then place onto a baking tray. Take some Ruby Rose harissa, I just got this from the supermarket, and just mix it up with those chickpeas. Once everything's mixed up, drizzle over some olive oil and then pop it into an oven for about 25 minutes. So I've got 2 medium-sized aubergines here and I've got a block of halloumi. What we want to do is slice the aubergine into slices. So each aubergine you probably get about 6 or 7 slices out of it. Just slice it down on a board until kind of fairly thin. So we're going to grill these aubergines till they're lovely and soft. So drizzle over a little bit of olive oil onto the aubergine slices and then place them on a griddle pan if you have, or under the grill. We just want like 2 to 3 minutes on each side. So while my aubergines are cooking, I've done them in batches. I've just sliced up my halloumi and I've got some fresh basil as well. So I've got a packet of basil, and so we're going to use those to fill inside our halloumi slices. So in the same pan or under the grill, just griddle as well those halloumi. Takes a few minutes till they're a little bit soft, and just squeeze over a little bit of lemon juice. So when our chickpeas are ready, take them out. They'll be lovely and crunchy. Just let them cool down slightly, and then we're going to mix that into a salad later. So take an aubergine slice, a few little bits of halloumi and about 2 basil leaves. Place that on one side of your aubergine slice, and then what we're going to do is roll it up. So roll them all up with the halloumi and the basil inside them, and then we're going to pop that onto a baking tray. I've just used the same baking tray that the chickpeas were in, so it saves them washing up. So you'll get about probably 10 or 11 or so slices out of these, so they're more than enough for about 2 to 3 people. I'm going to pop my aubergine back into the oven for about 5 minutes, and while that is cooking slightly, I'm going to mix up my chickpeas that have cooled down with some salad. And when the aubergine is done, take it out of the oven, let it cool just a little bit, and you can see the halloumi's gone lovely and crisp and soft and gooey still, and the basil smells amazing. And just place the halloumi on top of your chickpea salad, about 4 rolls or something. And then while this is doing, I've also made like a tahini sauce. Tahini is great with aubergine and chickpeas. I've just used a jar of tahini. I've done about 2 tablespoons of tahini with some lemon juice, olive oil and a bit of water and some salt, and then just drizzle that over after you've blitzed it in the blender. This is a great light supper to have at home in the evening. It's veggie, the aubergine is still meaty, so it's kind of, you don't miss the meat. It's really filling and delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more coming up. And if there's anything you'd like me to cook or some ingredients you want me to play around with, then let me know in the comments below.